Hello, my name is Ashley. I'm a student at National University, and I decided to research heart disease for the population attributable risk assignment. Heart disease is an array of complications with the arteries, vessels, or blood clots of the heart. Types of disease include congestive heart failure, arrhythmia, and high blood pressure, just to name a few. All of these conditions can lead to heart attack or stroke, which can cause death. Heart disease kills 600,000 people each year and is the #1 cause of death in the United States. That's 1 in every 4 deaths is because of heart disease. Some of the risk factors include smoking, high blood pressure, diabetes. In a study published by PubMed.gov, a long-term study over the span of 20 years was done on a population of men and women. The total PAR varied from 74% in men to 116% in women. What this means is that smoking is the most important risk factor for both genders. There are a few public health programs and propositions that address risk factors to heart failure. One of those factors is smoking. And smoking prevention in California, a lot has been done to deter the public from smoking, like the $2 tax increase on the sale of tobacco products, or the law in California that you are to be 21 or over if you would like to purchase tobacco products. Unless you are active military, then you can be 18. Another risk factor for heart failure is diabetes. And the California Department of Public Health started the STAT program in 2005 in order to help the public screen, test, and act today due to the rising prevalence of diabetes. This concludes my presentation. Thank you.